Wanna know how to attempt mock test in Geeks for Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your favorite browser and type in GeeksforGeeks.org, and then you can navigate towards the quizzes tab. But if you don't want to do that hassle, so you can just simply directly head towards quizzes or mock test through the URL as well. So for that, simply go for GeeksforGeeks.org, press less and quizzes, and then press enter. And after a while, your quiz hub should load right here. And that's it. Now you can see various quizzes from GATE, DSA, Python to much more. Now if you want to attempt any one of these, just simply select and then press attempt now button. And that's it. After a while, your quizzes should load and you can just simply pick the MCQs right here, and the bottom you can select submit. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.